Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Nail Tip Box is probably one of the most essential tools for any nail technician or DIY enthusiast looking to elevate their nail art game, offering a professional and organized way to store and present a wide array of nail tips. This versatile accessory not only keeps your nail tips neatly arranged and easily accessible, preventing damage and loss, but also adds a touch of sophistication to your workspace, making it a must-have for anyone serious about achieving flawless manicures and creative nail designs. Number 5. Krofaue 500 PCS Soft Gel False Nail Tips. Achieve stunning nail looks with ease. These soft gel tips offer a natural feel and flawless finish for any occasion. Get salon-quality manicures right in your own home. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts and nail art lovers alike. With 10 different sizes, you'll find the perfect fit for every finger. Create endless French-style designs effortlessly. Designed for comfort and longevity, these half-cover tips blend seamlessly with your natural nail. Enjoy beautiful nails that last. Everything you need is neatly organized in the included box. Keep your tips tidy and ready for your next manicure. Elevate your style with these high-quality acrylic artificial tips. They are the ideal choice for both professional salons and personal use. What we like? These offer a classic French style for a natural look. They are half-cover, making application easier. If you prefer a timeless and subtle enhancement, these are a great choice for everyday wear or professional settings. What people say. The box is sturdy and well-made, perfect for storing my nail tips. I love the clear lid, it makes it easy to see all the different sizes and colors of tips inside. The compartments are a good size and keep my tips organized and prevent them from getting mixed up. Number 4. Krofaue 500 PCS Clear Half-Cover French-Style False Nail Tips. Achieve the perfect French manicure look with these clear, half-cover false nail tips. They offer a natural-looking extension for any nail shape. With 10 different sizes included, you're sure to find the perfect fit for every finger. This ensures a comfortable and secure application every time. Get salon-quality results right at home. These artificial tips are ideal for both professional nail artists and DIY enthusiasts. Crafted from durable acrylic, these tips are designed to last. They provide a strong and beautiful base for your nail art creations. Everything is neatly organized in a handy box, making it easy to store and access your nail tips. Keep your supplies tidy and ready for your next manicure. Whether for everyday wear or special events, these versatile tips enhance your style. They are the perfect foundation for endless nail art designs. What we like? Enjoy a clear finish that allows for maximum customization. These half-cover tips are incredibly versatile for any design. If you love to paint your own designs or want a base for intricate nail art, these are perfect for your creative endeavors. What people say. The box is sturdy and well-made, perfect for storing my nail tips. I love the clear lid. It makes it easy to see all my nail tip sizes at a glance. The compartments are a good size and keep my different nail tip shapes organized. Number 3. Buqikma Short Nail Tips for Acrylic Nails. Achieve stunning acrylic nails with ease. These short tips provide a perfect base for your creative designs. Get a flawless, crystal clear finish every time. These artificial tips are designed for a natural look and feel. Keep your nail tips organized and accessible. The included box makes storage simple and efficient for your manicure needs. Elevate your manicure game with these high-quality false tips. They are ideal for both professional and at-home use. You'll receive 500 short nail tips, ensuring you have plenty for multiple applications. Enjoy long-lasting beauty and style. What we like? These provide a convenient short length for a natural appearance. The pink box adds a touch of style to your collection. If you prefer a low-maintenance, understated look or work in an environment where long nails aren't practical, these are an excellent option. What people say. The box is sturdy and well-made, with individual compartments for each nail tip. It's a great way to keep your nail tips organized and protected from dust and damage. The clear lid allows you to see the contents at a glance, making it easy to find the size and shape you need. Number 2. Saviland French Tip Nail Art Stamper Kit. Achieve salon-perfect French manicures with ease. This kit is designed for flawless application every time. The clear silicone head allows for precise placement. You can see exactly where you're stamping for perfect results. Whether you prefer long or short nails, this tool adapts to your style. Get beautiful French tips no matter your nail length. Bring the salon experience to your home. It's simple enough for DIY enthusiasts and professional results. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for stunning nail art. Elevate your manicure game with this versatile kit. Experience professional-grade nail art tools designed for durability and precision. Achieve a flawless finish that lasts. What we like. Achieve perfect French tips with this specialized stamper kit. Its clear silicone head makes alignment effortless. If you struggle with freehanding French manicures or want salon-quality results at home with minimal fuss, this tool is a game-changer. What people say. This French manicure set is a great size and very easy to use, especially for at-home nails. The look is clean and classic, and it makes your nails look beautiful and well done without going to a salon. Makes French tips easy to do. Number 1. MORGLES 500 PCS Clear Coffin Nail Tip Set. Achieve salon-quality manicures right from your home. This comprehensive set provides everything you need for perfect nail extensions. Inside this box, you'll find 500 clear coffin nail tips, along with glue, a clipper, files, and cuticle tools. It's your all-in-one solution for beautiful nails. Crafted from clear acrylic, these tips offer durability and a natural look. They are designed to be comfortable and easy to apply. Whether you're a professional stylist or a DIY enthusiast, this set is perfect for you. Create stunning nail designs with ease. Everything comes neatly organized in a convenient box. Keep your nail art supplies tidy and accessible for your next creative session. What we like. This set comes with everything you need for a complete application, including glue and tools. The trendy coffin shape offers a modern aesthetic. If you're looking for a comprehensive package to create stylish coffin nails from start to finish, this all-in-one kit is ideal for both beginners and experienced users. What people say. The quality is good and it works perfectly. These are my favorite go-to for coffin tips. They are easy to use, good thickness pre-shaft for inexperienced users, and comes with all the extras a good first-time user. The MORGLES half-cover coffin nail tip set is a complete kit for salon-quality nails at home. With 500 durable clear tips, strong glue, clipper, files, cuticle pusher, and fork, it's perfect for beginners or pros. Easy to apply and shape, the nails hold up well. Organized in a box, it's a convenient and affordable all-in-one solution. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.